So I just want to show you how to add in a bank account into your Xero file. You go to Accounting and click on Bank Accounts. If you've got existing ones, they'll be listed here. You just want to click on Add Bank Account. Search for your bank. Common ones are listed here, but you could search for something more obscure if you need to. And it'll give you different types, for example. For this example, we'll do NAB. You can give your bank a name. Usually this is what you'd put in just to describe what account type it is. So if it's a credit card, you might put credit card. And you can select the type. And then you would type in the card number or just the last 3 digits and go continue. So that will add in here. And then that won't automatically feed, but what you would normally do, as this is a demo, it's not coming up, but there's normally a button here and it'll say Get Feeds. You want to click on that and then that will forward you to instructions specific to your bank account for getting those feeds active. So yeah, each bank is different. I think for NAB, I think you've got to log in to your internet banking and allocate it that way. Same for Westpac, I think, but yeah, every bank's different. Some banks you have to submit a form back to them. So yes, it's that simple.